guys, welcome back to The Autistic Turtle. I'm here doing a video on feeding my animals. Someone put it down in the comments below and I'm gonna do it for them. So let's get to it. If you want me to get a French Bulldog for the channel, hit the subscribe button and get me to 1,000 subscribers and I will get I'll start looking for French Bulldog. So also one other thing. I will also take suggestions in the comments for video ideas. Okay, let's get to it. So I grab a combination of each food I want to feed the outside baby turtles and the big three-legged turtle, and I'm gonna give them this on a paper plate so then I can just throw the paper plate away and. Oh, this flies in there, not good. Get out. And then let them eat. So they're not very hungry right now. So let's go inside and feed my other animals. I'm not gonna feed the big turtles because they've already eaten this. They've already eaten. So let me show you. They've got a boatload of cherries and stuff like that, and zucchini and apples, so anyways, let's go inside. So, I'm gonna feed the lizard now, so I'm gonna put these here. He needs water. Let me go grab some water. Now I got some water. Got the water, and now we're gonna feed him. I'm gonna see if he'll eat anything from my hand. Sometimes he won't, sometimes he will. He's picky and he only wants them cut in half, so I have to cut him in half for him. Eat it. I spoil my animals way too much, but I love them. Because this guy will only eat blueberries cut in half. And then the rest of my animals will eat them all whole. Here, I'll leave that there for you. And I'll just grab a decent handful because he'll only eat these for like a vegetable or fruit. I'm just gonna grab a decent amount because he'll eat a lot. I try not to overfeed, but you know. So anyways, let's go over to my chinchilla, which is right next door. Now my chinchilla's food is in the basement, which he always, hey Chuffy. So he'll always move this, which I don't like. It drives me insane. So then I've got this food. I'm just gonna give him some, not too much. And then I also give him that, and then let's give him some carrots. You want one? Here, open. Here you go, bud. Okay, so I'll just give him a carrot right now. And I'll give him some carrots down here if he wants to go eat. He will, now Truffy is a very spoiled chinchilla because I have to get his food out. I'm going to the store to get some of what I'm going to feed him now, but I don't have any, so what I have to do is I have to get his dry food and pick out the, I just dropped it now. Pick out the sunflower seeds and peanuts, and he'll only eat that out of his dry food I bought him. Just kind of annoying, but you know. Let's see, I'll find some. Oh, there's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one. Is this one? Yep, there's one. there's another one. Here's an oat. Another oat. Ooh, there's a sunflower seed. An oat. Another oat. Another oat. Another oat. More oats. Oh, there's another sunflower seed. I think there's another one right there. Can't find it. Another oat. Oh, there's another oat. There's sunflower seed. No more peanuts? Where's the peanuts go? So his favorite are the sunflower seeds. But he's like a human. He'll take the sunflower seed and take the whole shell off, break the whole shell apart, eat the seed and drop the shell. And then, let's see. Nothing else in here, so I'm gonna go get some more today. Not more food. I didn't realize he didn't like the food I gave him, so I'm just gonna shut this cage. You want me to pet? Maybe? Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Come here, bud. No? Not today? Right. One more time? Nope, not today. So he doesn't want me to pet today. I'm also gonna give him one treat. Wait. I'm gonna give him one treat, which is I gotta turn the whole tripod around. Over here. That's me when I was a baby, right? There's when I was a baby. And that picture right there is when I was with my puppy Abe. And so over here, under the shelf, I've got Oxbow Animal Health baked treats with apple and banana. And I just give him one of these every couple of days. And if he does good, if he does like a good job, like he lets me pet him, I give him one. It's like a treat. I'm not gonna give him two. They smell delicious. I could eat them. They're that healthy. Like they got hay in them though, so I wouldn't want to eat it. But you know, I could if I wanted to. So now, where is he? Oh, he's up there. See him? I'm just gonna go up there. Okay, let me go down there and hand him his treat for the couple days I give him. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see my bigger turtle habitat fed, comment down below and I will do that. Get me to 1,000 subscribers and I'll get a French Bulldog, and I will see you guys later. See ya!